Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. So let's pretend that I've got problems with Chrome. I try to open it, but it just doesn't cooperate with me. Then the first steps I highly recommend to do is to simply tap on the app and hold it, and then tap on app info. So the first thing is to go to storage and cache. And here we've got the cache section. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage, and sometimes they can interfere and cause some different problems. So simply tap on clear cache, your device will remove them. And after that, you can try to, for example, tap on force stop here, because sometimes if the app is opened in the background, even though it is not shown in the recent, it also might interfere. So just tap on force stop and tap on OK. After that, you can try to open the app. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to repeat the steps. So remove storage and cache and force stop, and power off your device and then power it on again in order to kind of confirm the changes. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to check for the updates, because sometimes if the app is I would say older, then it might not work perfectly fine. So simply open the Google Play Store. You can use it if you're logged in, so I highly recommend to simply, you have to log in. You can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device, and that's it. This is how to log in. And here you can simply tap on search and enter the name of the app which you'd like to update, and check for the updates actually. So just tap on it and wait until it will be found. So here we've got the Google Chrome. As you can see, if the update is available, you will see this big update. So simply tap on it and download the update. Hopefully the app will work perfectly fine after that. However, if not, I highly recommend to come back to this section here, tap on uninstall and then install it again, because in that situation, your device will directly download and install the newest version, because in the previous option, your device will download the newest version, however, it will overwrite it over the older one, and that also might cause some problems in different situations. So if the simple update didn't work, then uninstall the app and install it again. And as a last resort, what I also highly recommend to do from time to time is to check for the system updates. So simply go to the settings. Right here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system, and here we've got system update, and simply check for updates. If you've got the update pending, I highly recommend to download it. If your system is up to date, then it's perfect. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.